In today's class, we will discuss about MS Excel. I think most of you know about MS Excel. So let's talk about MS Excel. Microsoft Excel is like a powerful digital notebook where you can organize, analyze and visualize data. So let's begin. First of all, click on the right click. You can open it in with multiple ways. Either you can open like this, click here, or you can search here MS Excel. You will find it from here as well. Okay, so let me just open it. I'll give it a name, notebook 1. I'll open it. You guys see, this is a page that appear. This is called a spreadsheet, and these are the cells. These are the columns A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. These are the columns. If you click on J, whole column is selected. If like H, G, A, F, E, D, and these are the rows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See that rows are labeled with numbers and columns are labeled with A, B, C, D letters. Okay, so these are the cells, and here we will write anything like select the cell, name. Okay, this is the address of this cell F4. What is the address? F4. We can't pronounce it 4F, that would be incorrect. We will say it F4. If I select this one, the address is M1, A1, B6, C1, O1. Okay, these are the worksheets. This is the sheet number 1. You can rename it class A. We can add other multiple sheets to it. Rename it class B, and so on. So with a plus sign you can add the sheets, but we don't want so many sheets. You can delete these extra sheets as well. Class A and B. Okay, so here you can write 1, 2, 3. By the way, this thing you can see, this is a green rectangle, or not a square, it's a rectangle, and there you can see there is a fill option. This is called fill. This is pointed 1. So if you write, fill option is very useful. Like if you write 1, 1, 1, it fill the gaps. Like it if you want to repeat 1, 1, 1, just select the 1 and drag it down. 1, 1, just drag it down. Only 1 is pasted like this. But if you write 1 and then 2, so you see this is like a counting. So we will select it like this, and through the fill option we drag it down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, A, B, these are the alphabets. Select them, A, B, and drag from here this fill option. A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. This is repeating, like A, B, A, B is repeating. If you do like A, B, C, or C, drag it down. So ABC, 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 this will happen. In the if you want like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, it would happen, but in the with letters it won't happen. 1, 2, just 1, 2, select both, or This is a very fill option. It saves our time. Like if you want to write 1 2 3, just 3, and if you want to write 100 entries, so what you do is just drag it down like this, and see, your task would be so easy. So we will, okay, I'll open a new sheet, this one. So there are some built-in functions, sum, average, count, num, max, min. Okay, so if you want to add two numbers, 10 plus 20, so what will you do is, this is a, by the way, function bar. Okay, so here you will write equals to, okay, write it here, equals to, and this one C2 plus C3. So answer is 30. For the formula bar, you have to use the equal sign, and then you write the entries address. By C2 is the address of 10 and C3 is the address of 20, and this is the sum. So you will write sum here, and let's say it, A is 10 and B is 20. Okay, so there are the functions I told you earlier. There are built-in functions, like if you want just 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, so you just select all of them and you can click here. Just this is a sum sign. I think you all know, most of you know that in maths you write sum like this. Click on it, and 100 is a sum. Got it? Or if you want to just select all of them and check the average, average is 40. If you want the number, count the numbers, so please count the numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6. The total numbers are 6 entries. We have entered 6 entries. You can give it a nice color, so make it more prominent. And this is, by the way, border, bottom border, bottom border. If you select it, there is a top border, left border, right border, no border, all border. So these are like all borders. Okay, this is a sum, this is average, and third function we used is count number, count number. But you see that it's going out, like it's crossing the line, so the cell is very small. So for that, we do is go there between E and F and drag it there. So width would increase, and it will look more accurate and more appropriate. Okay, so these are the count number. Okay, let's see any other option. There are max and minimum option. Okay, let's just select all of them. Let's suppose we are selecting all of them, and we will click on max function. So 100 is the max number. Okay, so if you select all of them and check the minimum number, so minimum number is 6, or I think we have covered all of these functions, right? So let's make something like name subjects, grade, marks. Okay, so these are the like a heading. So what will we do is select all of them, bold them for making more prominent, and I will do is outline borders, so it will show like this. And if I want to increase the size, I will increase the size. Okay, so see, we will increase the width of K column, grade also, marks also, name ABC, subject math, grade A, marks 90, other person is XYZ, subject again, let's suppose marks B, and marks would be 75. See, so this is how we make a like a table. We can add multiple entries into it. Okay, I'll do all borders, make it more nice and attractive like this. You can increase the size, like click on big A, right? And if you select all of them, so you can from here between L and M, you can increase the width of these cells as well. Got it? So if you want to find the average of class, for what will you do? I think there are just 2 students. You can add multiple students as well, multiple students data as well. Select both the cell and go here, click on average. So the average is average of class. So by the way, you can merge the cell as well. Okay, so you can do the setting like this, average of class. So the average of class is this. Okay, so you can, what you can do is give it a nice beachy color, right? So this is how you do it. And like if you want to make it more prominent, click on all borders and give a nice color to some, like this is the, by the way, this is a font color and this is a background color. Again, background color. So result of the class 8, or you can say grade 8. So increase the size and margin center, and then bold it, italic means italic, underline. You can give it nice background color. So this is how you do it. I hope you enjoy the basics of MS Excel, enjoyed my lecture. I see you in the next class. Bye bye.